welcome back to another exciting, uh, another, another exciting episode of Allergies. Yes, this is gonna be a fun little game. I'm just kidding. But welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. He might actually say something here. I'm not too sure, or not. I thought he said something there. Wait, there might be a video. There is not. We are in Apogee Station. Oh shoot. What were we working on? The Predator launcher. True that, true that. All the way, baby. Now what's next? Yeah, probably the Shard Reaper, because honestly it's probably the worst gun. Wait a minute, there's something here that doesn't seem right. Okay. Yeah, the Shard Reaper. Anything for shock RPG? Okay. Alright, any new weapons at all? Nope, just the tornado launcher that I'm not a fan of. But I will get it someday.
Whoever constructed this station wanted an oasis as well as a fortress.
I am playing on Ethan GV, right? Yeah, I am. Huh. Says subtitles are on. I don't hear him talking. See him talking. Well, whatever. Whatever. What? Whoa. Pretty beast. Suck my nuts first. That was a little vague, wasn't it? Yeah, it's not appropriate for the children that are watching, you know. Most likely, one of my guns are gonna upgrade during this little battle. Oh yeah, these turrets are a pain in the butt crack hole. Is that a word? It is a word now. Intruder alert. So the characters you hear on the little screen. What? I died? That's some baloney. The characters you hear in the background are Clank and Zephyr, a couple old warbots, and they're complete idiots. But they're funny. They're awesome. Who doesn't love Clank and Zephyr? Well, whoever's played the Future series loves Clank and Zephyr. I mean, come on, they're freaking amazing. This thing is upgrading fast because those one enemies are taking 2 hits. Intruder alert! Intruder alert! I don't know why I threw that. Oh boy, Plasma Beast, save me. Oh, it's about the same as the fusion grenade. Same, like, upgrade. Or same level. Oh. Okay, I don't like this. Get away from me. Plasma Beast, save me. Please. Oh, upgrade. Yeah! Dun, 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 dun. Yeah! Something's wrong here. It says there's subtitles. Ew. That's nasty. Stick my hand in something sticky. Ugh. Don't want to know what it smells like. Ugh. But I guess it's only in cinematics. Bam! Get on! Oh, see ya? Hello? It might have been because Clank and Zephyr were talking. I don't know. This has been weird. I'm gonna run and walk into this thing. Oh, I love that about this game. How it's just so good. I I love how smooth it is. It seems faster though. That's one thing. Well, it seems black and white down here. Oh gosh. Oh, it looks like he dies. Whoop. Your fishing hole has mines in it. This is probably all hyped up on rap music. Oh, let's take it out, take it out. I'm just kidding. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I must think smart and efficient. Yeah! Efficiency. Or just really good dodging skills. But anyway, it's the same thing. Let's just get the grenade launcher upgrade, shall we? Oh yeah! Boom, 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 boom.
Congratulations. You've upgraded to the fusion bomb.
Yeah, it's kind of like the bouncer.
Each bomb now contains 4 mini bombs that home in on enemies.
Any new weapons? Nope, just that gun I don't want. Don't really have enough titanium for anything, so let's just check out this help desk one last time. Okay, like I said, this game is crazy. Okay. Oh gosh, oh gosh. What? Okay, this thing seems to take out the turrets, quick. Oh, quick in my mind. I don't know, that was a little pointless. It took me faster just walking upstairs. Oh gosh. See all this? It's not a party. So what I'm gonna do is try out my shard reaper on these guys. Someone put on that dubstep. Shock grab in here? Nah, the grenades. Oh no, I died. Wasn't that a big booty hoe? Alright. Let's turn these back on. What's stereo mode? Alright. Huh. What planet's that? There's a planet for all these. What if I go here? Oh, there's obviously not a planet there. Okay. Gadgets, inventory, devices. I think it's only in options. Several moves. Help. Yeah, there's a planet. Save. Cancel save. Yeah. Come here, you young whippersnapper. Oh, jeez. See how easy that was? Just the fusion grenade. Whee!
Perhaps we should reason with them.
Alright.
Not to blow them up.
Oh, Ratchet with your violent, wicked ways. I'm getting bold. But okay, I should stop. Where is it? You guys aren't cool. that all of them? I think that is. Alright, let's go. Take that, Clank and Zapper. Got any weed? I'm just kidding. Actually, I think there's gonna be a cutscene soon. Calm down. Okay. Okay. Not how I planned this battle to end up. That's not how I planned it that amount of health I just got to be. Just use the plasma beast. Just use the plasma beast. Butt nugger. Duh. Do I have to kill every enemy in the room? See ya! See, I don't want to just use my plasma beast. I want to upgrade something. So let's try to upgrade this to V3. It's almost there. Look at you. Oh, they're turning. Oh, V3. This game is legendary. Alright. Just destroy these turrets. I'm surprised they haven't like gone down or tried to kill me. Holy crap. I think there's a cutscene.
There's no way we're getting through this without at least 2 crates of pyrocytic nitro cells.
Geo.
You can use your new
Who did you say gave you this thing?
The Sony. They are little invisible creatures who travel through time.
Oh, right.
There's the scoundrel! Pulverize him! Oh, my thruster coils.
Thanks, guys. I can handle it from here. Well, congratulations. You win an all-expense-paid trip out the airlock. Hope you don't mind letting yourself out. I hate that popping sound of bodies decompressing in space.
Put that longback in his place.
What? He is a Lombax! Kronk, Zephyr, lower your weapons.
And so, our heroes explained the mysterious circumstances which brought them to Talwyn Apogee's secluded space station. Their quest for the elusive Lombax secret. A cipher wrapped in an enigma, smothered in super secret sauce.
That's enough, Zephyr.
Sorry.
So you're a Lombax who's never seen another Lombax, doesn't know where they are or what their secret is. That's so...
Ironic.
I take it he's the smart one.
Miss Apogee, is there any reason why Tachyon would think you have a Lombax weapon?
Well, this is my father's base. Max Apogee
Max Apogee was a famous...
is a famous
explorer and collector of rare interstellar antiquities, most notable of which was a Lombax artifact.
Where is the artifact now?
Pirates raided the station years ago. This is the only thing they took. My father went after them, but never came back.
I recall that smuggler mentioning pirates on our dole list.
Ardolis. Kronk, Zephyr, get the ship ready. Lock up on your way out, okay? Ratchet, I'm sending you the coordinates to our dollar. Sorry if I seemed rude back at the station. I haven't gotten out much since my father vanished. I'll see you soon.
Since
Coordinates acquired for Planet Ardola.
vendors give you health. That's so legendary in this game. One thing, okay, the gadget I just used called the Geo Laser. Oh, do I have to go through another freaking space battle through time and space? Oh, but that was the Geo Laser. So it's a gadget. I got the sniffle my differs. Okay, we're going right to the base. But it is a gadget that used to break through walls and stuff like that. What do we have? The bus stage. I need to get them right away. And then nanoswarmers are just like the bee thing. Here we are. Here's probably my favorite weapon in the game. The buzz blades. They're like a super powerful machine gun type blades. It's really good. It's one of my favorite weapons in the game. I don't know why. But there's two parts to this base. Oh my gosh, sorry if I'm about my allergies, but there's this area, which is another interesting area. I don't know where it leads. But it's helipod, more helipod parkour.
Using the quick select, and then fire it at the target.
Alright. This is the only time we really use the helipods in this whole game, because I don't recall using the helipads at all that much, but let's just continue on through this little section. Oh gosh. Bring it up. Jump. Bring it up. Jump. Bring it up. Jump. Yeah, bring it up, jump. Hiya! What was that? I did not call for space pirates. Space pirates! I'm gonna use my shock Ravager on you. I'll use my new gun later on. Still gonna work on my shock Ravager though, cause it's a good gun. I feel like there's something in this level that I'm gonna miss. Oh my god, that's the worst feeling ever. But now that I think about it, there's probably not, so. Can you please stop? Just throw it there, please? Okay, that's pointless. What's over here? Really? Fail. Oh, look at that. That's cool. All these shipwrecks are cool. Excuse me? Oh, okay. It just like reappears. Let's go. Swing your arms from side to side. Come on, let's all go do the Mario. Where's this taking me? Oh, shit. I feel like I gotta do this. Ugh. I bet we'll see where this boat is right now. Oh yeah, you can just, oh, okay, you're not supposed to do that. You can glide to this area though. No, geez, no, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Fail. Alright, let's try that again, shall we? Are you freaking kidding me? No! Ugh, sniffly whiffles are in my face right now. Does that make sense? Shut up. Shut up. You're not cool. Hurry up. Dun, 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 dun. Speaking of space pirates, I'm pretty sure Quest for Booty will not take that long to let's play. Or, yeah, let's play, I guess. Walk through, whatever. I forget what's even this way. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, get out of here, you stupid space pirates. Wow, this thing is upgrading, isn't it? I'll just beat this one part and then we'll just head on to the mission. Actually, I'll just end the episode there. Hiya, 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 hiya. Just kidding. Let's go. Woo! Oh, that was a failed jump. Okay. See ya! You ain't gonna catch me, son. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, and about my new friends, Clank, Zephyr, and Talwyn Applegee. She's only in 3 Ratchet and Clank games, and her voice, actually 4, I guess. But that's Quest for Booty, Cracking Time, and what is this?
You have acquired the armor magnetizer.
Sweet! It's not a big
This
deal.
device ionizes your armor to attract bolts from increased distances.
Alright, I get it. Let's just kill some foods. Alright guys, and that is it for this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GV and I'm out. Peace.